Okay, go ahead. And what was your main problem when you first came in?
I had severe back pain that I have been suffering with for a number of years, and also I was suffering with my knees. I had arthroscopic surgery about 2 years ago, and my knees were just in pain. It was very difficult walking downstairs, and so when I came here, I was thinking it was going to be the same routine that I'd always gone through and that it would be minimal help, but found out that after the first adjustment my back felt better. Had not slept in a very, very long time, and I slept wonderfully well the first night. And then as the treatments began to take, my knees got better, my back got better. I was shown ways in which I could do exercises at home to be able to kind of strengthen some of the muscles and things, and it's just, I feel wonderful. And I've had, I think, 16, 17 treatments so far, and it is wonderful. I would recommend it to anyone.
Thank you. And how about you, Miss Leslie?
Okay, there are several things that was taking place in my body. One of the things I must make you aware of, I am blind, and sometime moving through the airport and traveling the way we do with the church, I have bumped my knees several times. Suitcases have hit my knees. I was in a car accident and I hit my knees on the dashboard, so that was giving me a lot of trouble. The other thing was the lower back pain that I was having from, I guess, just a lot of the dancing I used to do in my early days. So, and they're probably moving inappropriately through the house, moving things, moving furniture and things like that. So that was my two main problems that I was having, my knees and lower back pain.
And how did the treatments affect that?
Okay, one of the first things I would like to say is that the environment here and the staff was part of my healing process. For one thing, to have, when you come into a place and you're hurting and you don't feel good and you don't know what's about to take place, to have a staff that treats you with such kindness and patience, and was the beginning of my healing. Just to know that people were listening to me without trying to brush me off. That was very important in my healing. Everything else, the therapy, the therapeutic hands that was used on me worked extremely well. And I'm starting to heal. I'm feeling a lot better. My energy level is high, and also my motivation to do some things that I had been putting off that I really needed to do in the field, especially on the mission field. And I thank the staff so much.
Very good. Did you have any other thoughts you wanted to share?
Well, one other thought I'd like to share is that I have become now an advertising agent for this particular area. And I'm telling people all over that they must come just to see how the staff is treated, how the staff talk to one another, and how we have a tendency to blend while we are getting our treatment with each other. I have never met so many people we do not know who are patients here, and we just talk like we've been knowing each other for a lifetime. And I think that has to do a lot with the staff.
Wow.
And how they treat one another, and how they are, especially dealing with us as patients. That has a lot to do with it.
Yeah, we told our daughter about it because she had been suffering with pain in her chest and in her back. She was a dancer, and so she came, and she's also a part of the program as well. So it has helped us. No more pain pills, no more steroids, none of those kinds of things.
Right.
Feel great.
Well, thank you for your kind words, and it's great to hear the healing that's happening within your spirit as well as your body. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you all.